Guys, in this session, I'm going to talk about DPKG. DPKG is nothing but Debian Package Manager, okay? D for Debian and P for Package Manager. So nothing but it's like your control panel of the window. If you open control panel of the window, from there you can see how many software got installed, right? And if you want to remove, you can remove from there, right? Just right click and uninstall. So in the same way, this DPKG, this particular is a brother of control panel in the Linux machine. So this DPKG is taking care of, is having eyes on all the software which is installed. So if you want to know, let's say you went to him and you want to know your Linux machine have how many softwares. Your Linux machine, let's say, is having how many software. This is my question and this I want to know. So let's say this is my Linux machine and this is having a number of software and I want to know. So I can't go and find it without the help of DPKG, right? In window machine you need control panel in order to see what are the software installed, right? Then only you can have a plan to uninstall it, right? So in this way, if you want to know how many software install, so what you will go, you have to go here, you will directly go to him, and what you will do, you will just directly ask him, you will directly go and try to ask him, hey DPKG, hey manager, can you please tell me, package manager, what are the packages or software installed in my Ubuntu machine or my Linux machine? Immediately he will show you all the list of the software which is installed over here. So how you will see the list of the software from him? You will go and write this command, dpkg, means Debian package manager, space minus list, minus list. So when you run this command, so what will happen, this dpkg manager will immediately list out all the software for you. Okay, so this is the way this dpkg manager will help you, and if you want to uninstall, choose the software and uninstall from there. So in next session we will show, okay, how to use this dpkg manager in order to control the software installation and uninstallation. So see you in the next class.